In this episode, I'm introducing my out-of-the-box mastering solution. Welcome to the Rhythm Studio, where we're talking percussion, music production, and music technology. I'm Warren Henry. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button and the alert bell so that you can be notified when we release new videos. That said, let's get into it. Not long ago, it was unheard of to master your own music. Professional mastering required the right room, the right equipment, and the skills of a mastering engineer. I remember the first time I walked into DB Plus Digital to master my project Relations. With their sophisticated transfer console, their array of gear, and their beautiful room, it seemed to me like mastering in and of itself was a black art. Fast forward to now, with a few plugins, you could master your music inside of the box. But what if you wanted to master your music outside of the box? What do you really need? For starts, at least 3 out of 4 of these tools, with the first being optional. These days, I'm using what I've coined the Warm Audio OTBMS. 2 Warm Audio WA73 EQs, a Warm Audio bus comp, as well as a Tascam DR40 recorder. I'm using the DR40 until I can get my hands on a Tascam DA3000. As an alternative, you could use any combination of equipment other than Warm Audios. So why have I decided to start mastering outside of the box? Lately, I've been on a quest to recapture the front to back depth that I came up knowing when I used to work on a console. And the Pro Tools mixer as well as the plugins were not giving me exactly what I needed, so coming out of the box was a natural transition. So far, my test mixes have been quite impressive, so I know I'm headed in the right direction. So what is the purpose of mastering your music outside of the box? First, if you want to release your music on iTunes or Spotify, you must provide them with a high-resolution master file of 96K or greater if you want to maintain the integrity of your mixes. Second, you have the ability to tweak your 2-track mixes with a little bit of analog goodness, giving it additional character. Third, and most important, high-res mastering outside of the box allows you to retain control over the sonic quality of your mix, from basic tracks all the way to mix down onto streaming. Having an outside-of-the-box mastering solution can be a welcome addition to any home recording studio. You have a system that you can use from basic tracks all the way to mix down and onto mastering, all at a push of a button. Thanks for watching.